All right. What happened? Okay, let's start. Oh, what happened to Ken? Where is Ken? Oh my God. Ken lost the connection. What happened?
Teacher was Ken.
Yes, let's wait for Ken. Okay, let's wait there. Okay, there is Ken now. Okay, Ken, let's proceed, Ken. Tom, Ken, me, Tom, and Ken. Now, put your answers from here. Okay, you may start now. Okay, Ken, please answer now, Ken. Ken, please answer now, dear.
Gọi em là lúa mới có xạ mà này là lúa chín rồi chuẩn bị cắt rồi. Dạ.
Ken, write your answer now. Hello, Ken. Ken, where are you? Okay, okay. Letter number 5, Ken. What is the answer number 5? Oh, don't say bad words. Oh my God. Ken, that's bad. Okay, what is the answer number 5? That's bad, Ken, okay? Don't say bad words.
Number 5 is A.
All right, number 1, let's read.
Number 5 is A.
Okay, why you don't have audio, Ken? What happened to you? Okay, this one is F. Correct. What is letter F? We went.
We went to school trip to the stadium to meet our city's football team.
Okay, that is terrestrial usual creatures live in deep in the ocean. Okay, that is letter C. Correct, Ken. And then letter B, number 3. My uncle played drums in this year. Summer Music Festival. Okay. Number 4.
Number 4 is D. One
Okay.
of the rice at the Funfair was series, but most of them were great.
Okay, very good. And number 5 is Zoe showed her skateboard to her friends at the skate park Yesterday. Okay. Which sentences not matched? What is it do you think? Okay. I think letter E. People come to this place to choose something really delicious to eat. Okay. Which picture is different from others? Okay, which one do you think, Ken?
Chỗ ăn nó nhiều cái kia thì cậu là đây là đây. Cái lúa này mình thấy thì nó không có đúng đây là
Mình không thấy.
mình thấy không có thấy đúng được này một đồ sinh là để gọi là mình sắp ra được đó đây ra đó.
Okay, picture is different from others is the I think the underwater sea creatures. Yes, in the ocean because this is a water park. Okay? Now let's proceed. Please read aloud, Tom.
In reading and writing part 7, you need to write about 3 pictures. The pictures show 3 stages of a short story in the instruction is to write 20 or more words. In most cases, story of 25 and 14 words will be fine, but some candidates may write more than 50 words to get good marks. You should look carefully and the picture before you start shows that you understand the garden general nature of the story. Then you could produce one long up to short sentences about what is happening in its pictures.
Okay, so I will read again. In reading and writing part 7, you need to write about 3 pictures. The pictures show these 3 stages in of a short story. The instruction is to write 20 or more words. In most cases, stories of 25 to 40 words will be fine, but some candidates may write more than 50 words. To get good marks, you should look carefully at the pictures before you start so you understand the general nature of the story. Then you could produce 1 long or 2 short sentences about what is happening in each picture. Okay. Look at the 3 pictures, write about this story, write 20 or more words. Okay, put it in your paper and then you may start now and I will ask questions after, okay? Ken, please prepare pen and paper. Okay, you may start answering. Write on your paper and I will ask questions. Can be ready, dear. Maybe Nick has early vacation. Nick didn't attend. Maybe he has early vacation. Okay, 1 minute more. Let's check once you are done. Okay. Okay, let's start with Ken. Okay, so this picture shows another place. Which place? What sounds do you think is family can hear? This picture tell a story. It's called The Sports Car and the Racing Bike. Okay, let's start. One day, family decided to have a breakfast in a cafe. Then they chose a restaurant that near to the roadside. There's a sports car who is loud and noisy. After that, there is a racing bike passing by. They feel disturbed having a breakfast, but they think it's fun and different environment. And the first picture, Mr. and Mrs. Banks and the children, Charlie and Claire, are having a snack at a cafe. They're on a holiday. It's a sunny day. Now, Ken? Ken? Please read aloud.
Can you see the See the sport car?
Can you still see the sports car?
Yes.
What's happening now? What's happening now, Ken?
The sport before the sport car is
After the sports car, there is a
after a sport car is a racing bike.
correct. Why are the parents and boys are surprised? Surprised. Why are the parents and the boy surprised, Ken? Because Ken? Because they see a an alien. You didn't notice? It's an alien. All right. Okay, Tom. What's driving? Okay, stop doing that, Ken. Okay, no, don't do that. What's driving past the cafe now? Okay, I didn't allow you to write, okay? Disable, okay. What's driving past the cafe now?
It's a car.
Okay, what kind of car?
A sports car.
Yes, a sports
Name.
car. What color is the sports car?
The sport car is purple.
Purple. Who likes the sports car the most?
It's
Who do
the
you
girls
think?
and the boy.
The boys. Dad, waiter, and the boy.
Yes.
All right. This picture nearly the same, but some things are different. For example, in picture A, the girl's skateboard is red and white. But in picture B is purple and green. Now find the differences, Ken. In picture A and B.
In picture A, is have a UFO. And in picture B don't have a UFO.
All right. How about in picture 2? Okay, in number 2, Tom.
In the number 1. There's a helicopter in the sky, but in the number 2 is not a helicopter.
All right. In picture 1, the boy's head accessory is a yellow cap. But in picture 2, it's a red helmet. Okay, in picture A, Ken? Ken? Mm-hmm.
In picture A, it don't have a purple shirt. In picture 2, it have a purple shirt.
Okay. Tom?
The number 1, that's the gun is wearing a helmet, but in the number 2, the gun not wearing helmets.
Mm-hmm. Okay. In picture 1, the boy is not holding something. In picture 2, he is holding a towel. Oh, a jacket. Okay, sorry. In picture 1, the jacket is in the balcony, but in picture 2 is in the left side of the balcony, right side and left side. Okay, Ken? Okay, that's all, dear. Let's proceed. Now, please try to answer this. Aunt Zoe is talking to Robert in a cafe in the museum. What does Robert say? Okay, what a nice cafe in the museum. Yes, it's really cool. I enjoy the museum very much too. Okay, Tom, Ken, me, Tom, and Ken. Choose your answers from here. Okay, you may start now.
What?
Choose your answer from here. Okay, you may start now. I give you 2 minutes. Please answer.
Teacher, I can't see.
Oh, you can't see again? Why? Okay, I try to share again. Can you see now, dear? Oh, sorry. Here. Can you see now, dear?
Yes.
Okay, sorry. Tom, Ken, me, Tom, Ken. Okay, you may start answering now.
The answer is C. Number 4 is D.
Okay, try to answer now, Ken. 2 and 5. 1 minute more.
Không biết được.
Where's my drawing?
Okay, what's the answer? Number 1. Tom?
It's C.
Okay,
It's
please read
C.
aloud.
So we sit over there next to the door.
Mhm.
Number 1 is C.
Okay, correct. Next, what would you like to eat and drink? It's a
Yeah.
pancake and a banana milkshake if they have those here. Next, Ken, have you been here before, Ken? Only once on a last year's school trip, remember? Tom, which part of the museum did you enjoy most?
Number 4, which parts of the museum did you enjoy most? It's
Mhm.
D.
Okay, letter D. Where they've got all those posters of sports cars. Ken? Ken, number 5, Ken? Ken?
What?
What would you like to do next?
A.
Okay, it's F. Can we? Okay, please read aloud. Can we
Can
buy
we be that poster about fish?
engines?
It's from the music shop.
Museum shop. Museum.
shop.
Okay.
Museum.
Which answers do you not use? Tom? It's letter B.
Yes.
Okay.
It's B.
Okay,
Is-
thank you so much, students. You did great today. Have a wonderful night. Goodbye, dear. Goodbye,
Bye, teacher.
Ken. Goodbye, Tom. Love you both. Bye. Heart, heart.